You look stupid every day. Don't worry.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hey guys, I just got back from work and today's Vlogmas day number 2. And honestly, I have so much shit to do. Today is December 2nd and I didn't post the video yesterday for the first day of Vlogmas, so I already freaking failed. But I have it ready and I had it ready like in the morning and I was just posting it and it needed like 40 more minutes to go. But my stupid ass brother, I left him with the homework to just post my video. Like that's all he needed to do, just to make sure that my MacBook didn't turn off. And then yeah, that's pretty much all he had to do and he didn't do shit. So it's only gotten to 97% and it says that it has 16 minutes left, which I'm freaking waiting for because I'm already so late. And it was supposed to be up by 4 because we're wondering what I wear to work. It's just a freaking black hoodie, skinny jeans, which I never wear unless I go to work. Right now I forgot to film it, but I went to Starbucks and I got a mango dragon fruit refresher. And then this was my lunch from when I was at work because I didn't take any lunch with me. So I got chow mein from this Chinese/Thai restaurant. And then I went to Walgreens too when I got out of work because I needed to print out some pictures that I got from my film camera. I'm very happy because I'm gonna react to them for this video. I think it's gonna be very fun. I'm gonna take all this off, like all of my makeup, my clothes, and my hair because it honestly hurts a little. I just need to not feel like I'm at work anymore. It was such a shitty day today. I got vegetable chow mein with tofu. She told me it didn't have any eggs, so that's why I got it. It had a lot of tofu, but I finished it when I was at work because I was so hungry. My fit. And throughout this Vlogmas series, you guys are gonna see me a lot wearing this hoodie and another black hoodie just because those are literally my favorite. I live in them because they're so big and so comfortable. So I just heated my chow mein and I served it in this plate. It was a lot more, but honestly, I don't think I'm gonna finish all of that. I honestly don't like people eating with me or like looking at myself like eating because I feel like I eat weird. I don't know. I have a lot of shit to do, guys. There's this project that I've known about for like a month, but I kind of just had it in the back of my mind and I kind of just like tried to like not pay attention to it, so I didn't have to do it. But honestly, I need to do it because literally that project is worth so much of my grade and it's due on Friday and today is Wednesday, which I got a copyright claim. It kind of does hurt your videos. I feel like they don't promote them as much, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I have my pictures right here and we're gonna react together. I'm not gonna lie, I already picked a little bit. I looked through like 4 pictures or something like that when I was in the car. I cannot remember everything that I took, but it's so exciting. This is what my parents used to do when I was little. Here are all of the pictures. So one of the pictures that I looked through and that I really liked, this one day I went to work with my dad and he was washing cars, so I went with him and I was helping him and I was like, wait, this is a perfect time for me to take your picture because I don't know, I just like to keep all of those memories. And like I love going to work with him because I can talk to him and like I just understand more whenever like he's working, like why he gets tired all the time and stuff like that. And I don't know, I just really appreciate my parents because of why am I getting emotional? Like this sucks. This day has been really emotional for me. I honestly don't know why. And the thing is that I already have my period, so I don't know why I'm so emotional. Like I already cried like 3 times today and that's not okay. Like I don't think I'm depressed. Am I? I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a picture just because I really love it. It reminds me to the pictures that my dad used to take, and honestly guys, all of my pictures are in my home country. I wish I could have them. Like I honestly love looking through pictures and all of them are in my home country and I cannot get them for now. It looks like something that you would have taken like in 2004 or something like that. This is a picture. And I know it's not that clear on camera, but like you can see him like washing the car. He's just smiling. It was so natural because I was like, I didn't even tell him that I was gonna take him a picture, you know? And I tried to be creative and I took a picture of my MacBook. This is so stupid. I just wasted film. Oh, I remember this. I went to LA with my dad. Maybe actually, guys, I think this picture is from the day I filmed the Spanish playlist video, which has gotten me a lot of views. And I honestly appreciate every single one of you that subscribed to my channel because of that video. And I promise I will make a part 2 to that video. I had already made one, but it didn't have enough songs. Like, I didn't react to that many songs, and it's like the same playlist. But I love making that kind of videos, and I'm gonna continue to do them. I just need like a trip where I can be in the car for long enough, you know. We were just driving to LA. This other time I went to LA with my dad, and I filmed a Spanish playlist video too. It's like a throwback Spanish pop playlist video, which a lot of people I think would relate to, and I might post it. Just let me know if you guys are interested in that, because I think I still have the footage. I just never got to posting it. There's a picture, which is of my outfit. What the fuck is this? Oh, I think my first picture is a picture that I took of my friend, because we got matching cameras, and I was so excited. So I was like, oh, let me try it out, because I didn't know how it worked. So this is a picture of my friend. I took a picture of the sunset. Oh, and I remember this one day. This picture is like funny. I'm not gonna show it to you guys because I know my brother will literally kick my ass. But basically, this one day, he went to get a haircut. He went with my dad to his barber, and I guess he didn't really know how to like do his hair, but he literally took off so much hair from his forehead. You know when they like clean up the edges, but like they literally se pasaron. Like, I don't know how to say that in English, but it was just really bad. Like, he literally had like, he usually has literally a 2-finger forehead, and when they did that to him, he had literally like a 5-finger forehead. It was so freaking funny, and he hated it. He literally wore caps like for a week straight. Oh my god, guys, I remember I took a picture because around the time I got my camera, I got my first job, and so I decided to take a picture of my first paycheck. What's up, y'all? So it's December 3rd today, and I am going to take a shower right now, and I have like less than 30 minutes to do so because I need to go take my brother to school. Oh, and I need to go do some shopping. So I'm in a gift exchange for Christmas at work, and then I have to give out presents to my parents and brother, which I wasn't planning to do this year, honestly, but I was like, why the fuck not? I'll go take a shower and I'll be back. Okay, so I just got out of the shower like a few minutes ago, actually like 20 minutes ago, and I went to leave my brother to school because I had to do that. He got in at 9:30. He's actually going to school just one day out of the week. I need to buy some stuff here at the mall for my Christmas presents, and I was like, since today's my day off, and even though I have a lot of things to do, I should probably go shop for those things before everything's like selected and stuff, because I already had in mind kind of what I want to give each people. I'm just parked right here outside of the mall because they open like at 10, I'm pretty sure. So I'm just gonna wait 30 minutes until they open the mall. So let me actually check, because what if they open at 11 and I'm just here waiting? This is what happens for not checking. I just checked on Google and they open at 11, so what the fuck am I gonna do now? I'm not about to wait here for an hour and a half. I got shit to do, so I don't even know if I'm coming back later. I just wasted gas. I'll see what I can do. Oh my god, guys, look at this pigeon. Is that a pigeon? I had already parked really beautifully, but my brother was like, oh, let's go get Starbucks. I was like, how can I say no to that? Okay.
Ew, no te hagas makeup in the car, bro. Like, that's literally #1 rule about driving.
Bitch, I'm not driving. I'm in the
Like, how
driver's seat.
stupid.
You look stupid. This is not my dad.
You look stupid every day. Don't worry.
Hi, can I get a grande mango dragon fruit refresher with light ice?
For sure, what else can I get you?
Can I also get a caramel frappuccino with almond milk and no whipped cream?
What size is that one?
Grande too?
Awesome, what else can I get you?
That's it.
Fantastic, $9.50. We'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I just did the dishes before my mom came home and whooped my ass. I'm going to my room right now, but honestly, like, I don't think I'm gonna do much like right now. I just need to edit the video and I need to finish my project, because this project is due tomorrow at 11:59, and I'm honestly so freaking nervous because I haven't even started, and the project has been up for like a month, I'm pretty sure, and I don't even know how to do it. Okay, so I am editing the video that you're watching right now, and I'm pretty much done, but I just got a package from Amazon that I ordered like 2 days ago, and let's open it because, okay, brother, if you're watching this, click off the video right now because your Christmas present is here. So we're gonna open it. I only ordered like 4 things, but I'm pretty sure I only got like 3 things in this box, and then the other one is coming later because I guess it's not really like shipped from Amazon. Ta-da! So I ordered 2 glasses. Let's try them on right now because I've seen them on like Shein and stuff, but the wait time is so long. See what they look like on me, because I swear to God, like I literally never like how any sunglasses look on my face. I look so funny, but they actually don't look that bad. They're pretty cute. I actually really like them. If you guys want the link to any of these things, just let me know and I'll put it up. Here are the brown ones. I think these are my favorites out of the 2 of them. I'm gonna put them in my car now. So Mom, if you're watching this, you're welcome. This is my brother's gift for Christmas. I'm not only like gifting him this, but I remember he was telling me how he wanted LED lights like the ones in my room. So I was like, why not get him some? I'm still gonna get him other things, but I need to go to the mall for that. So I am going maybe next week. So you guys will see that. And here's the freaking story time. I am very mad because I ordered bands in September when I first moved to this place. And I wanted them to like decorate my room. But they took 2 months to ship. And they are still not here. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Just let me know what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, that's pretty much my Amazon haul. I hope that you guys liked it. And I think this is the end for the video so that I can post it now. I didn't really do much today, but I still wanted to post Vlogmas Day 2 because I don't want to lose my streak. I have this project due that I've been talking about for this whole video probably. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna basically do now. I'll see you guys in the next video, which is tomorrow, hopefully. I think tomorrow's video it's gonna be the second part to my moving out vlog because I already have that video recorded and I remember I really liked it, and I'm gonna post it because I don't really have much time to film tomorrow. I'm still gonna film, but I'm not gonna be able to like film it and then edit it like today because I need to focus on this project that I need to turn in tomorrow. So I hope that you guys like my video today. I know it wasn't really that interesting, but I promise you guys that once all of my school work is like done, once I'm out of the semester, you guys are gonna get like really good content because I have videos planned. See you guys tomorrow.